difficult question, and much of this morning's oral argument was about how the Texas law is written. Now, typically, these abortion laws empower state actors to enforce the law. But the way Texas has written the law, private citizens like you or me could sue abortion providers or anyone who aids and abets an abortion. Now, it's helpful to think about it like this, and this hypothetical came up a couple of times this morning. Imagine a state like the state of Maryland said it's illegal to own a firearm. That clearly violates the Second Amendment. But what they do is no state actor in Maryland is enforcing that law, but private citizens in Maryland, folks just like you and I, can sue you if we know that you own a firearm, or could sue someone who helped you get the firearm. They could sue you for $10,000, and if you lose, or even if you win, you still may have to pay the court fees associated with the case. That's the kind of case we're looking at here. Now, the Supreme Court this morning heard two cases, one by abortion providers in Texas, challenging how Texas has written the law, the other by the Department of Justice, saying it has an obligation to make sure states follow the Constitution, and Texas is currently flouting it by passing a law that prevents women in Texas from choosing to have an abortion before fetal viability. Demonstrators from both sides were out in force early this morning. Pro-choice and pro-life defenders demonstrated side by side peacefully.
We were out here at 7 a.m. setting up for our rally. A lot of people on the pro-life side, of course. The pro-choice, pro-abortion side is out here. There's a lot of energy, a lot of vibrancy, and I think both sides know how critical the Texas law is.
And so this case is obviously about abortion, but it's also about so much more than that, because anyone who cares about their constitutional rights, about their liberties, should care about the outcome of this case.
And we see cases like, obviously, Roe v. Wade, that's the law of the land. But then again, you have these monumental cases just like this one, where necessarily it doesn't apply exactly to what we're talking about, but to how this is all written. It carries so much importance. We heard oral arguments today, Katie. How long before the court can come down with the decision now?
Look, the court can do what it wants, when it wants. We know that that's rule number one. But the fact that we have gone 10 days from when they decided to hear the case to today when they heard the case seems to indicate there's some interest in expediency here. So it could be sooner rather than later. Maybe not this week, but we could hear soon.